By 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be replaced by AI. That's not a science fiction headline, that's from a real McKinsey report. From factory floors to customer service desks, artificial intelligence is already transforming how we work. But here's the big question. If AI can replace workers faster than ever, what happens to your job, your income, and your future? The answer isn't just in learning new skills, it's in learning how to invest so your money works for you, even if your job doesn't. Before we can figure out if AI will take your job, and how to protect yourself, let's make sure we understand what AI actually is. Because trust me, most people think AI is some Hollywood super robot. The truth is way less dramatic, but way more impactful. What AI actually means: artificial intelligence is simply when machines can think and make decisions based on data. That's it. No magic. No evil robots. It's just software and systems trained to learn from patterns, much like how humans learn from experience. The everyday examples you already use without realizing. Netflix recommendations. AI notices what you watch, then suggests similar shows. Google Maps traffic updates. AI predicts the fastest route using millions of data points. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. AI recognizes your speech and gives answers instantly. Here's the thing. AI isn't brand new. We've had it in some form for decades. But what's different now is how fast it's getting better. 10 years ago, AI could barely recognize your face in a photo. Today, it can write emails, design graphics, even diagnose diseases. The two faces of AI. 1. AI replacing jobs. Machines doing repetitive tasks faster, cheaper, and without needing a lunch break. 2. AI creating jobs. Entirely new careers in AI engineering, data analysis, robotics maintenance, and more. The point isn't that AI will wipe out all work, it's that it will shift the job market. Some roles will disappear, others will boom. And if you want to stay ahead, you need to know where you stand in that shift, and how to make money even when industries change. Which jobs are most at risk? Here's where things get real. Not all jobs are equally at risk from AI. Some will be replaced quickly, others will be harder to automate. So let's break it down. High-risk jobs, likely to be replaced first. These are jobs with repetitive, predictable tasks. Factory line workers. Robots can assemble, sort, and package faster and more precisely. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines and online shopping reduce demand for in-person transactions. Telemarketers. AI chatbots can handle thousands of calls simultaneously. Medium-risk jobs. Some tasks can be automated. Junior accountants. AI can already process invoices, detect errors, and calculate taxes. Paralegals. AI can scan thousands of legal documents in seconds. Administrative assistants. AI tools can schedule, answer emails, and manage data. Low-risk jobs, hard for AI to replace. Therapists and counselors. AI can give advice, but it lacks human empathy. Creative strategists. AI can write, but humans bring originality and emotional depth. High-level managers and leaders. Decision-making often requires a blend of strategy, emotion, and human judgment. Notice the pattern. The safer jobs usually involve creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. That's your first clue on how to future-proof your career. Focus on what AI can't easily copy. Why this matters for your income. When jobs in your industry face automation, you might see fewer job openings, more competition for the roles that remain, pressure on salaries as supply of workers increases. Now, losing a job is stressful. But here's the good news. Even if AI changes how you earn, you can make sure your money keeps earning for you. And that's where investing comes in. How AI could affect your personal income. Let's talk about the ripple effect. When AI replaces jobs, it doesn't just affect the people in those roles. It changes the entire economy. The three main impacts. 1. Layoffs and reduced hours. If your company automates part of its process, you might be asked to do more with less, or work fewer hours. 2. Lower wages. When more people compete for fewer roles, salaries can stagnate or drop. 3. New opportunities. Every AI breakthrough creates fresh demand for skills like data analysis, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. The key is to not put all your eggs in the job basket. Because here's the truth, relying only on your paycheck in an AI-driven world is like standing on one leg during an earthquake. You need multiple income streams. How do you invest to protect yourself? So, how do you invest to protect yourself against AI disruption? You focus on 3 things: the industries AI will grow, assets that produce income, and investing in your own skills. 1. Invest in AI-related companies and ETFs. Tech giants developing AI tools: Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, Google. AI-focused ETFs like Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, BOTS, or iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, IRBO. Semiconductor companies, the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. 2. Build passive income sources, dividend stocks, companies that pay you regular income just for holding their shares. Real estate crowdfunding, own a piece of property without buying the whole building. Online digital products, ebooks, courses, or print-on-demand stores. 3. Invest in yourself. Learn AI tools, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, to make yourself more valuable. Learn skills in AI-adjacent fields: cybersecurity, cloud computing, data analysis. The goal isn't just to survive, it's to position yourself where AI can't take your income away, and where it can actually help you grow it. Simple beginner's investment plan, step by step for beginners. 1. Start small, $50 to $100 per month into a mix of AI ETFs and a broad market ETF like VU or SPY. 2. Automate your investments so you don't forget. 3. Reinvest dividends to grow your portfolio faster. 4. Adjust as you learn more. The goal is progress, not perfection. AI isn't a storm you can stop, but it's a wave you can learn to surf. The people who will win in the AI era aren't just the tech geniuses, they're the ones who start preparing today. So don't wait until AI knocks on your office door. Start investing, start learning, and make sure your income has more than one lifeline. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what job do you think AI will replace first?